Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Sirin, and a while back I drew this picture while I was in class, and I was pretty happy with it. So, you know, you guys have been asking me to like make a quick tutorial on how to do it. It took a couple of hours the first time, but it really depends on your the technique. Yeah. So what you want to do now is find paint and open it. Just find it. So yeah, guys, we'll have to like improvise a bit because yeah, I couldn't find paint, but I swear to God I had it yesterday. So we'll just have to use Paint S, which is the same, I guess. But yeah, I found it on the App Store and just took it. So yeah, you should make your page white because yeah, you should make your page white. So I'm struggling a bit here because yeah, I'm new to this. You know, it's too complex. And yeah, but yeah, when you get your page white, you can start working, and you can use whatever like if you want to use a pencil or a paintbrush or whatever. But I use a pencil because well, yeah, that's just what I prefer. But yeah, start drawing the shape of your body and head. Of course, starting with the head because yeah. So when you've drawn the body, you should draw the feet because yeah, it's shut up. Uh, you should, and then you can draw your arms, yeah. And they don't have to be completely alike. Like you don't have to have a symmetrical like arms and but legs and yeah, you know, just yeah, humans have imperfections, right? Yeah. So then you can draw details. You don't have to draw it, but yeah, I just like to draw like a mouth and a tongue and shut up, and some eyes. Yeah. And next, I draw like a mouth. So you can make it whatever color you like. Just customize it to your preference. But I like to go with red because yeah, and just kind of shape it like a mouth. And then you can move on to the hair. So start with like your head hair if you have any. Just like yeah, you can make it whatever length you like. I like to have long hair on my drawings. I don't know why, but yeah. So when you're done with that, you can create eyebrows to make like an expression on your drawing. Yeah, and then I like to kind of put a random line just in the middle of nowhere, right beside like the heads, and yeah, I don't know why, but that's just what I like. So yeah, and yeah, and I just wanted to create this tutorial for you guys because I know you've been asking for it, and many people in like real life they ask me, can you draw like a profile picture for me or something? They just I don't know. I never thought of like my talent as a talent. I just like, and yeah, and people acknowledged it suddenly, and I was like, yeah, I guess I have a talent for drawing. So yeah, um, I just wanted to say thank you guys um, for watching and for yeah, just um, making me feel appreciated, and yeah. So I just drew a horse there. I don't really like horses, but yeah, it's yeah, and a sun, of course. Yeah, I didn't like use yellow for it, but I guess it's my sun, so I can decide what color it should be. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and maybe I'll see you around or not. Well, yeah. Bye.